What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a 2007 Audi S8. Got some misfiring problems. It's been happening for a couple of weeks now. It would misfire when you first start it up and then it would clear. And then all of a sudden it just decided it wanted to constantly misfire. So I plugged it in and it come up with a couple of codes, cleared them down. And it come up with engine control unit, something sporadic something. I haven't got a computer on the car, so I can't remember the exact code. But so I started off by just slowly unplugging the coil packs. Take these three off, nothing changes. Take this one off, slight engine change. Take this one off, basically cuts out. So this is what one of the spark plugs look like, soaking wet, along with that one and that one. This one was the fourth one, nice and dry. I don't understand it too much because it's very strange for three spark plugs to break down all at once. We thought it could have been due to it having a pretty weak battery on it. So I've ordered some spark plugs. They should be here tomorrow. So stay tuned and look out for the next video on this car. Have a good day.